Hi everyone, Big Pauly back for a brand new unboxing. Yes, back to unbox a brand new Blu-ray that's just been released, taken the world by storm, just like the previous film. This is like Jordan Peele all over again. Okie dokie, so inside here we have a Blu-ray. Let's open it up and let's see what we've got. Okie dokie, so housed in a nice cardboard box with some nice little bubble wrap. Go away. Okay, oh, I love the artwork. Okay, this is from the Bounty Bunch group. So this is the Bounty Bunch presents Invasion of the Body Noncers. Yes, this is the follow-up to They Nonce. This is a brilliant film. This is done by Rob Effects Bounty. It's the story that touched the world again. Yes, and this story involves all of the classic hand puppets. Yeah, because you can't get away with not having someone's fist up your bum, can you? So we've got Gordon the Gopher in there. We've got like the clangers and all sorts of stuff. Again, we've got a whole host of YouTubers that are involved in it, including myself as well. Myself, Maureen, and I. Who the hell was that? Yes. So 1 year has passed since the invasion began. A few brave YouTubers defended Earth and sent the extraterrestrial nonces home. So bye-bye, E.T. Now comes a new threat. The one last descendant of Fisto hatches a plan to clone our gang and reunite the Infinonance. The Infinonance crystals. Not the Infinity Stones, the Infinonance crystals. And wipe out history as we know it. It's time to fight back, yes. Special features. There are special features on this Blu-ray, including behind the scenes, deleted scenes, a gag reel, teaser trailer, Becoming the Bat, and a green screen test. And this is a Bounty Bunch Pictures, a film by Rob Wilson. Stars a whole host of YouTubers. They're all down there, but I won't name them. So yes, this is a fun film. You can find this on YouTube. I'll put a link down in the description below. But, oh, hello. So yes, so there is the artwork. Really nice. We don't have any inside artwork. Cheapskate. There is the disc. With artwork on the disc, Invasion of the Body Noncers. But something just fell out, yes. And it wasn't Gordon the Gopher. This is awesome. When you watch the film, Gordon the Gopher is in it, and something unfortunate happens to Gordon the Gopher, and we've got a piece of Gordon the Gopher. As you can see up there, he's being ripped to shit, and there is an actual piece of Gordon the Gopher's fur stuck to this collectible card. It's not numbered or anything, but that's a nice little extra. When I got sent They Nonce, I got my very own little E.T. So now I have a piece of Gordon the Gopher to cherish for all time. That's fantastic. And this is an 18 certificate, so be aware. Fantastic. So let me just put that on there, so it don't rattle about. Brilliant. So there we go. Invasion of the Body Noncers. Looking forward to chapter 3, whatever that's going to be. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Like it by giving it some thumbs up. Blah, 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 blah. Don't forget to subscribe, comment and share. Head down to the link in the description and go and watch Invasion of the Body Noncers. Until the next video, bye bye.